All right. Too many financial services companies are using social media without protection. There are three truths about social media. First, involvement is absolutely essential. Second, it isn't easy. And third, it is not safe. Regulatory bodies such as FINRA, the FFIEC, have put out guidelines over the course of the last year, some as late as just March of this year, and banks are scrambling to figure out what they should do to stay compliant. General financial services firms, personal finance groups, insurance brokers, trying to figure out how they participate in social media and stay compliant. Now, when you read through these documents, you find that there's three things that they really say you should do. The first thing is you have to have an approval process. Somebody has to see the messages before they go live. Second, you need a filtration system or a lexicographical scanner that's going to look for keywords and phrases or abstract concepts like stock tips, and is going to prevent those from going live. And third and finally, you have to archive and capture everything so you're ready for an audit. Posts, likes, images, etc. Now, Gremln is not only a great product for managing these three elements of staying compliant in social media, but it's also a full marketing, engagement, analysis, customer service suite for managing everything for Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn all in one system. I'm Ryan Bell, I'm the CEO of Gremln. I'm here with our customer relationship manager, Michelle Lane, and we're going to show you exactly why you can't afford to participate in social media without Gremln. So what Michelle is opening is she's opening up the main screen that happens when you log into the Gremln system. Now this is our total social media control panel for managing all of your social networks in one location. Now you'll see a number of tabs across the top. That helps you organize and sub-segment your data as you're trying to manage both what customers are saying about you and your brand, customer service responses, what you're saying, and just monitoring the general public space about what's going on about the products and the services that you provide. Now below each one of those tabs you'll see a series of panels, and right here you see three panels. These three panels are one for Facebook, one for Twitter, one for LinkedIn. We do this just to show that you can organize multiple social networks in one screen. Now, this enables you to do things like we have on the far right. We've set up a search for people who are struggling with balancing your checkbook within 30 miles of the event today. So this might be also a source for you to generate leads. Send them a white paper on personal finance management, suggest products to them. So Gremln really helps you with customer service, engagement, and marketing. So the most important aspect of our dashboard, quite possibly, is our message form. Now what you see here is your portal into the social web. You're able to set up a message and post this into multiple social networks. So we're actually going to have a little fun here, and we're going to post this live directly from the event here. Effectively just letting our Gremln Twitter account and our Gremln Facebook account know that we're on stage at Finovate today. Now, Michelle could schedule this if she wanted to. She could also set this up to be sent now, as she just did. Now, her post was really innocent, live at Finovate. And because of the settings that we gave Michelle, she's free to autonomously post. If she had restrictions, she would have had to have that message approved. So as Michelle goes up here to the top right-hand corner to our tools menu, because of time constraints, I can't show you everything that Gremln can accomplish for you. But I do want to point out the fact that we have a full reporting engine, an ROI tracking system, integrated RSS feeds, team management, along with that, your approval processes for staying compliant. So the feature I do want to focus on today in the demo is Michelle and I are going to put on a couple of different hats. Michelle is going to be a financial planner for ABC Financial Planning, and I'm going to be somebody in the legal department. So Michelle is going to set up a post here, and we're going to show you exactly how we can help protect your brand and keep you compliant.
Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Lane, Customer Relations Manager for Gremln. But for today, I'm going to be playing a financial planner. But I could work for a banker or be a marketing manager for any one of the companies that are here today. The point is, I need to be able to use social media, the freedom of social media, the tools of social media, while keeping compliant and giving Ryan the confidence that he needs for me to use social media properly. I've just read a really great article, and I'm going to post this article through my Gremln account. And what I'd like to post is a great article on purchasing exchange-traded funds like SPDR. We recommend this to our clients. Now I'm going to select the accounts that I would like this post to go out through. And I'm going to select Send Now. And you will see, I've just received an error that says this message will be moderated due to restricted keyword for matches. I think it's okay. I'm going to go ahead and click Submit. Now that I've clicked Submit, the message has gone out and an email has now just been sent to Ryan.
Okay, so I'm going to step up here and playing a different role. I'm going to go ahead and sign out. I'm going to log in as myself here. And we're going to see that what has actually happened at this moment is an email has been sent to my account notifying me that I have something to approve in my queue. But I'm going to go ahead and step into the system now directly and pull up that page. So I go to the Tools menu. I come down here to my moderation queue. Now what the moderation queue is going to show me is a list of messages that I have waiting for me for approval. So when this shows, basically you're going to see Michelle's message displayed there for me, and it's going to have an option for a thumbs up or a thumbs down, which enables me to actually approve the message or decline the message based on the content of the message. So we've had a few tests go through the system, so I just realized we had a few messages up here as we were planning on getting ready for the event. But let's just take the top one. You'll see here that I have the ability to view the message, but from reading it I can say this smacks a little bit too much of a stock tip, so I'm going to decline it. I can tell her why, and she is notified about the failure. Now, in conclusion, what Gremln has done for you is it's prevented a compliance violation, protected your brand, and saved you time. If you're not in social media, now there's no more excuses to get involved. If you are in social media, the time to get a secure solution like Gremln is not after a mistake happens, it's now. Thank you for your time. Please stop by our booth and I'll give you a more in-depth demonstration. Thank you.